What's up guys, how to use the CINEMACHINE curve for move. With it you can create a lot of different functionality. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Today we will make a treadmill, move the texture to it and use the CINEMACHINE curve to move the object. First, add the CINEMACHINE package and add a dolly track that will allow us to move our objects along a curve. It has a few settings, but we will see the distance today. Now we will create a curve around the treadmill, on which we will move using the dolly track. Starting to develop texture offset on the treadmill to begin with. We now have a shifting texture. It looks cool. Let's start developing the movement of objects. Let's create a simple timer with which we will create objects and send them to the treadmill. One of the improvements we can rewrite or supplement the class of objects movement along a curve. Everything works great. Now we can loop the track or create a pool of objects and control the amount. There are many places where we can use the curve. Next I will show how I used the curve in development and how I improved it. Thank you for watching, brothers. See you in next videos.